Hello and welcome back to my channel where I help entrepreneurs get unstuck, simplify technology and master the leading digital marketing tools. In today's video I want to show you how to make money on YouTube like Franklin Hatchett in order to get you started with your own YouTube channel. Franklin Hatchett is one of the select few that dominates the make money online searches. He's one of the big names in internet marketing and especially on YouTube. Frank seems like a normal guy that's done good, but what can we learn from Franklin Hatchett's channel in order to create our own successful YouTube channel and fulfill our ambitions? Now you may think, whoa, I'm not good enough to do that. Frank is a boss. He knows so much more than me. I could never do what he's done. But you're wrong. He wasn't born into a life of internet marketing. We all start somewhere. Franklin has been building his channel for 5 years, and here's 7 ways you can build a money-making YouTube channel just like Frank. Number 1 is to be consistent. The oldest video on Frank's channel is 5 years ago. Since then, he's created 310 videos. He didn't create 5, question why he wasn't rich yet, and then rage quit. He stuck to the path, he created, he published, improving his message each and every time. And that's what it's about. The more consistent you are with your publishing and your message, the easier it is to grow. Number 2, whatever works, do more of it. 5 years ago, Frank brought us this video about ClickBank affiliate marketing. 1 week ago, Frank brought us a video about ClickBank affiliate marketing. I remember reading a comment once and someone asked him, why have you done another ClickBank video? And he rightly pointed out, because that's what you keep asking for. You ask, I deliver. Look at this, if we do a search of them 300 plus videos that he's got on his channel for ClickBank, there must be 25 in there. Remember, each video has the power to find a new audience, so it's okay to repeat and record your good stuff, to twist and change and repeat some of the same stuff that you've put out there with a slightly different angle. There's nothing wrong with that, that's good. Keep creating content that works, and Frank does that. Number 3, find a problem and solve it. People go to YouTube for a number of reasons, but generally they need help and they want to solve problems. What's one of the biggest problems and worries the world over? Money. Look at Frank's videos, the way he presents himself, the language he uses. He's stood there in his hoodie, hustling away. His message is, I make my living working from home and I help others do the same and achieve financial success. Every video, title, even the thumbnail, there he is, a normal guy with a wad of cash. More on that in a moment. Frank's using language that people understand and delivering long-form value videos to guide them through step by step. Anyone can do it. No experience? No problem. No money? No problem. Not technical? No problem. Don't know what to promote? No problem. He finds problems that people who want to make money have, and he offers them solutions. Number 4, search engine optimization and hooks. This is where Frank is a master. He is again consistent. How many of his titles actually say the words make money online? Look at the thumbnails. They aren't the greatest quality that you'll ever see, but they work. It's a bloke. It could be you, your brother, your mate, holding a stack of cash, proven and effective. Now, one thing I always notice with Frank's videos, those first 60 seconds he goes a bit keyword crazy. He will spew out the words make money online constantly. Now, YouTube creates a transcript for your videos, which is why I've always assumed that this can have some SEO, search engine optimization weight. But who knows? Either way, whether it's a hook or well-intentioned SEO, it works for Frank. Number 5 is the presentation. Frank's videos are heavily tutorial based. He may spend a minute or so introducing the video, but then he'll screen share or run a slideshow. So for screen recording, you can use something like OBS, which is free and really powerful and effective. Or personally, I use my video editor, Filmora. There are tons of options and it's relatively easy to do. For slideshows, you can use Google Slides or even Canva, combined with a couple of really useful Chrome extensions. The first one is ShareX, which allows you to take screen grabs that you can then paste into your videos. The second one is a little Chrome extension called PageMarker. Now, I think Frank actually uses a different one, but it's PageMarker that I use, and the two are very similar. And what it allows you to do is just draw on the screen and reinforce your message. If you have a look at a lot of Frank's videos, he's literally using a screenshot and he's using a page marker to just draw around it and talk about it to emphasize the point. Number 6, and this is the money maker, so you don't want to miss this one. This is the vehicle. Now, Frank makes absolute bank as an affiliate. In other words, he recommends products and services, and if you buy through his link, he gets a commission. In this video, Frank talks about his daily earnings from ads and affiliate marketing. This doesn't include several of his income streams like a private blog, case study site, his own courses, or anything that he's using paid ads to drive sales through. This is just a little snapshot of what he earns. What you'll notice, the programs he promotes consistently are all recurring revenue or good affiliate rates. More importantly, they're all vehicles. And what do I mean by that? Well, they're products that can help his audience get from A, their world of pain, to B, the promised land. They're products that people need to get from A to B faster. ClickFunnels, for example, is for building landing pages that get more leads and sales. GetResponse is for email marketing to build trust with his audience and get sales. Bluehost is for creating a blog. Shopify is for dropshipping and selling e-com products. They're all really good products to promote. I use most of these myself. They're great products, they can help you on your journey, and Frank shows you how. He doesn't hard sell, he doesn't write review videos, he just shows how they can be used to help make money online. And as you can imagine, when you're getting thousands and thousands of views, even with a low sign-up rate, you can make big money. ClickFunnels, as an example, pays recurring revenue between 30 and 100% commission. They've got an elite club for anyone who earns over 1 million through their sales funnels, and I believe Frank has got at least 2. Number 7 is the future. Whilst I bet Frank's got a nice motor and can eat out when he likes, he also builds his assets. He's got several blogs, multiple training courses, and growing social media accounts. If you switched his YouTube channel off tomorrow, he would still make money, as he's reinvested his earnings into other income building assets. Every single YouTube video you create has the potential to make money for years, but it's a numbers game. You're not going to retire off 10 videos. You've got to create consistently and keep improving every time. If it took 5 years to earn enough passive income to quit your job, then would it be worth it? Of course it would, and I have every faith in you. And if you want a free masterclass to succeeding with affiliate marketing just like Frank, then check out the links in the description.